Hi everyone, it's Julianne here for Trinity Stamps and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a Trinity product close-up for the September 2020 Autumn Rainbow release. This is the brand new Scripty Thanks sentiment die set. This die set includes 3 beautiful Scripty sentiment dies that include the sentiments thank you as well as the sentiment thankful. This die set has a total of 6 dies included, which include 3 sentiment dies as well as the 3 shadow dies. I love this sentiment die set. I love the script that this die includes, as well as that it's a really nice thick bold text as well. I ran each of these sentiments through my die cutting machine using some yellow colored cardstock, as well as I've run their shadow dies out of some craft cardstock, so that way you can see how all of these look. Since the dies are separate, you are going to be getting 3 sentiments that can be used together or separate, which I think is a really nice added detail, so that way you can really stretch this die for multiple cards throughout the year. You can see just how beautiful this script is, and I absolutely love when sentiment dies have the shadow dies included. I make a lot of scene cards personally, so having the shadow dies really help to make my sentiment really stand out for my backgrounds. All 3 of these sentiments can definitely be used for the upcoming fall season, but you can definitely use them year-round to express how thankful you are for that special person in your life. I hope that you enjoyed this Trinity product close-up for the Scripty Thanks sentiment die set, and I encourage you to check out the rest of the Autumn Rainbow release as well. Here I have some design team inspiration using this sentiment die that will hopefully spark some ideas on how you can use this die set as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for even more design team inspiration. And as always, have a wonderful day and happy crafting!